Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys doing all right. So guys, I'm just get around in this area, and I find this Tesla service center. I think, as you can see, it's very big service center here in Austin, Texas. I'm currently living in Austin, and I find this suddenly. When I search on the Google map, I'm not able to find anything about this location, because it might be a very new location, and as you can see, it's very big. So as everyone know, like Tesla currently selling a lot of EVs, and definitely they need to do a lot of service in future also. So this is might be their strategy to deal with a lot of EVs. I'm not sure how they gonna do it, but I feel like this is definitely a service center, and it's very big service center for sure, and they have like a lot of big parking around here. By the way, this is my car. I'm currently driving Honda Accord Hybrid. This is also a very good car, but when it comes to EV, Tesla is a king. So I thought, like, why don't I just make this video to share with you, so people who are interested in knowing about the service their Tesla, they can find out more information about this location. I am not sure right now, but it's look new to me, and they might be opening soon. There are some construction work going on, I think, but I don't know when they are going to open, but I feel like they are going to open soon. So I'm just get around in this area, and I find this suddenly. So I thought, like, why don't I make a video for you guys who are love into Tesla. So hope you guys like the video. And as you can see, they have very big logo of Tesla on the building. Look nice. Hope you guys like the video. Bye, take care. Thank you for checking out this video. Just please subscribe to my channel. If you support me, then it's good. Thanks, bye.